Hey everyone, and welcome back to Gorgeous Graphs. Today we'll take another look at the magic of compound interest, but this time with slightly more ambitious monthly contributions. Over the next 2 minutes, this animated line chart will reveal the potential growth of a long-term investment portfolio. The simulation starts with an initial amount of $10,000 and adds $500 every month for a total of 40 years. For simplicity, we've kept things straightforward: constant return rate, no volatility, and we're not factoring in taxes or inflation here. The assumed average return is 7% annually, which is a realistic estimate if you're investing in a diversified index fund or similar long-term strategy. What's striking is the final number, nearly $1.35 million. That's the result of discipline, time, and the compounding snowball effect doing its work. If you stick to your monthly plan and let it ride, even relatively modest investments can turn into a sizable retirement fund. And it's not just about the math, it's about consistency. Regular contributions, no matter how small or large, make a massive difference over time. You don't need to chase risky returns when the strategy is this powerful. If you enjoy these kinds of breakdowns, give this video a like and consider subscribing so you don't miss the next one. Alright, I'll zip it for now. Enjoy watching the curve rise, and I'll catch you soon in another upload.